Here's this project we got. It's a porch whose existing posts are rusted out and the footers are collapsing. So we showed up, dug out new footers, uh, put a footer in this one, and then a pier, cement pier column right there above the grade, and then put a rebar embed in there and a rebar column inside. Let those things cure and came back and added a heavy duty post plate. And here's the other footer. As you can see, the old one in there, little post hole to hold up an entire porch. We came back and put in a 24 by 50 real footer down there. I added these two other wood ones over by his wood porch as it was hanging off of the 16-inch I-beam that was holding up the rest of the porch. Here's a project we did. Big old test cells. One was 64 feet long, and they're going to test these engines in them and blow them up, basically. So, total steel enclosed containers. Welded the roof, welded the sides. It's a short video. Built these frames for instrument panels that were going inside of these test cells. There's overhead gantries installed. There's one of my welders on site. There's those frames getting fitted out. With all the components. Did all these vertical welds on the sheet metal. The project took 11 to 12 months. Heavy duty machine bases were installed inside of those. These ones held the engines. Spray transfer welding, 045, 9010 gas, real heavy wall tubes, 1/2-inch wall, 3/8 wall. Nothing we used was thin. More of the structure going up and how they fit together. These two pieces, they come together and form one unit. And there's a door in the middle. There's one of my welders on site. There's another one of my welders on site. All this sheet metal getting fit up to the outside. Yeah. Here's our plasma cutter. We can cut you any sign you want. We got a CNC plasma cutter. Here's a big loader machine, a Komatsu. They wanted to fit up this cat snowplow to this Komatsu, and it's not the same connection. So we cut the old ones off and did our measurements, made new connector pieces. You can see here, cut those out of 1-inch steel and fit them up here like this, and works great. Customers already used it and very happy with it. Finished it just a couple days before the snow came, so they're very happy. Here's another one. We cut off and just put a standard skid steer attachment to it. He can hook it to anything he wants now. This here is a big job we did. A slurry tank for an asphalt company. We went in there and cut out the old tubes. This was one of the old tubes, and it's really nasty in there. All the tubes were rusted out. These are heat transfer tubes. We got the old ones cut out and came back with new tube, got them slid in there. Came back, welded up those gaps. Just use 035 standard wire, hard wire with gas. Running a little ESOP inside of there. Here's a trailer we did, a coupler. There's a sign we cut out. Some stainless steel rainbow looking welds.